My name is Divya and I'm from Design Indian Kitchen, and we are here in DLF Summit today, and this is an ongoing site we are doing right now, and this is an undergoing process work we are going to show you. So this is a wardrobe with laminate finish, and we are using HHMR in the core material basically, and this is for the kids wardrobe. Basically this is an open unit, and this is a sliding folding unit which they will be opening for you. And there's the sensor lights we have installed inside this unit, and there's a loft unit above on it, and there's a hanging space for the, and there's a drawers. And this right now is a little bit incomplete, I would say, because the handles will be installed in the latest stage of the site probably. And there's a drawers inside that. And this we have used a lifter loft unit for the most storage capacity. And this, again, there's a filler which has to be run across the unit till the end of that portion. And there's an open unit which we can highlight with soft toys and some books. This is a bunk bed for the kids, and we have given some storage unit to highlight their toys and the books as well. And there's a ladder going on for the upper unit, and there's storage underneath for the base unit. So this is our master bedroom we are creating over here, and this is right now the incomplete situation you are looking at. And this is right now the carcass for the wardrobe, and these are the drawers, and we have also given a profile lighting in the boxes. And this right now incomplete because the factory other part of the shutters we are creating, this is going on in the factory. So this is another space we have created for the walk-in wardrobe space. There's a hanging portion we have given, and there's a shelf unit. Again, we have accommodated multiple drawers for the storage purpose, and we have also added the profile lighting in the cabinet. The core material has been used HHMR, and the internal finish has been used fabric laminate for the same. Above we have accommodated most probably loft space for more storage. We have given the shutters would be, again we have manufacturing in the factory, and there's a base shelf unit, and there's again shelf unit with a drawer would be coming over here in the bottom. And there's a vanity which we have created along with over here. We have given two drawers on the both sides of the cabinet, and there's a shutter unit which accommodates your sink portion. Thank you.